Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Chalk Couture. In today's tutorial, we're going to make this Marry Everything on an 18-inch round gold frame. Let's get started. First, we'll grab the D size Marry Everything transfer, and using our transfer trimmers, cut this on all of the white trim lines. We won't actually use all the pieces with this set, so I'm just going to cut off the pieces that we will be using for this specific project. Next, we're going to grab our fuzzing cloth and make sure to fuzz all the pieces. I fuzz between 3 to 5 times just to make sure my chalk transfer doesn't stretch when removing it off the board. We'll center the Marry Everything and Happy Always in the center of the 18-inch round gold frame board and start with our iced coffee Chalkology paste. I'll apply a pretty good amount and use our 4-inch squeegee to make sure we hit all of the open spots, remove the excess, put it back into the jar, and reveal the amazing effect of Chalk Couture. I love that every single time. We're going to grab the hair dryer and cool this on a cold setting, and we're going to turn our attention to the poinsettia flowers. Now, on the poinsettia flowers, I used a combination of candy, apple red, and currant jam, and that did a nice ombre from the center on the way out. This gave it a beautiful blended look and gives the flower more dimension between those two colors. Now we can grab all of the other remainder pieces. On all of the leaves, I'm going to be using Meadow. On the evergreen spruces, I'm using Pesto. I also have the flourishes, and I wanted to match those in the iced coffee. Now, you can build the poinsettias however you want. That's what's great about Chalk Couture is you can build them to how you see fit and add more flowers or more leaves. But I did know I wanted to finish with glitter. So I grabbed the iced coffee again and grabbed the center of the poinsettia flowers. Now, the key to glitter is to make sure the rest of your board is dry because the glitter will stick to anything wet. As soon as you put down the iced coffee, you can pour your gold glitter on, and then we will take some canned air to remove the excess, and it gives it a perfect ending to this board. Absolutely love adding just a little bit of glitter onto these flowers. Now, I will remove all of the glitter outside using a canned air so it doesn't get everywhere, but in my opinion, it's well worth the look and gives it that extra touch. Let's take a look at the finished product. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you are not currently working with a designer, we would love to be your designer. You can, of course, shop from our site using the links down below. You can save 40% off the entire catalog by joining our Chalk Couture design team, or you can join as a Club Couture member where you get an exclusive transfer and 3 pay singles every month for one low fee plus exclusive deals. Well, have a great day. Thanks, everyone.